How to find a good clan in Clash Royale. If you want to join an active and strong clan, Clash Royale, follow this step to find the best clan for you. Open your Clash Royale application. Now you have to go to the clan section. Tap on search clan at the top. Enter keywords like active war clan, donation 100k, trophy rush and many more. Check the clan requirement and tap join if you are qualified. Before joining the clan, check clan activity and status like active members, high donation numbers, clan war participations, high clan trophies. Find clan and social media and other forums as well, such as Reddit, Discord, Twitter and Facebook groups. Make sure to join a clan that matches your playstyle, such as competitiveness, war focused, casual and friendly. And that's it. Now you know how to join a good clan in Clash Royale. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.